So in the previous session, I have just given you a gist about what regular expressions generally look like, right? So let me just reiterate what generally a regular expression means. So a regular expression is a set of characters called as patterns, which helps in finding substrings in a given string. So the pattern is used to detect the substring. So I will make you clear more about regular expression with the following examples again. For example, suppose if you have a data set of customer reviews about your restaurant, say. So if you want to extract the emojis from the reviews because they are good predictor of the sentiment of the review, right? So that would be your task. So if that is your task, in order to identify the emotion or the sentiment behind the review, the extraction of emojis would be possible very easily with the help of regular expressions. Take another example. Nowadays, we would have generally seen about a smart assistant, home assistants, the artificial assistants within the phone, such as Siri, Google, etc. They now use this information retrieval to give you better results. So when you ask them for any query or ask them ask them to search for anything which is interesting on the screen, what these generally do, the Google or search assistants in turn support or implement regular expressions to look for the common patterns such as emails, phone numbers, place of the names, etc., etc., date and time, and so on. So this is because then the assistants can automatically make a booking or ask you to call the restaurant when you for making that booking. So just say an example, you ask a Google assistant, hey Google, I want to book a seat for me in this and this particular restaurant. So what it will do, it will go to the Google, search the result. So soon after the search result is available, these regular expressions will try to extract certain elements in the text displayed on the screen. So it will try to search for certain patterns such as phone numbers, place names, date, time, emails, etc. And they will like the assistant will try to store them somewhere, so that when you ask them to book for that restaurant, then these things will be readily available handy to provide you in order to make the booking successfully happen over the voice. So on a whole, regular expressions are very powerful tool in text processing. It will help you to clean and handle your text in a much better way. So by this time, we have covered a theoretical overview about what regular expressions are. Now, now let's just get into the hands-on part of implementation of what regular expressions are. So I'll just overview or give you a gist at the very beginning. Now let's import the regular expression library which is available in Python. So it is available as easy as import RE. So RE represents a regular expression. If you just hover on it, you can just see support for regular expression RE. This module provides regular expression matching operation similar to those found in Perl. So Perl is another language which you can say just like Python. So this regular expression will help us in containing or extracting the text based on the given or a defined pattern. So why to wait? Let's just jump on with the first use case or a first example. Say let's if you are given a text or a sentence, if you want to just extract a name of a person in the given sentence, say I have given this sentence, right? So Ravi is an exceptional student. So we know that this sentence is talking about Ravi, and my now task is to find the appearance of Ravi in this given sentence. So what I can do, I can just do this with the help of regular expression. So as I imported this RE already, now re dot search. Search is one of the method available within this re library. So re dot search bracket the pattern which you want to search. This is how the algorithm or the syntax goes. So very first you have to define what is the pattern you are searching for. That is, I wanted to search Ravi, right? So I have defined that over here in a single quote, comma. Then what is the text or the sentence or a paragraph where you want to search this particular pattern. So in a programmatical way, I am saying it, re search for this pattern in this entire string. In other way, search for Ravi in this entire sentence where it is talking about Ravi. So this is how you search. So I'll just run this. So it has given me in a textual or a programmatical way. So re.match object. So it is trying to match an object, and it has found that in a span of 0 to 4. What does this 0 to 4 represent? So this entire sentence is divided into indexes. So now this Ravi is found from the index 0 to 4, that is 0, 1, 2, in this way. Okay, right. So from index 0 to 4, that is where it is found Ravi is available within the given sentence. So the match is exactly the Ravi. So suppose if you want to print the match result, say this Ravi is appearing one or more times in a given sentence, and I want all the Ravi to be appeared in my search result, then if you want to print that output of this search result in a better way, or in a better understanding way, not this like in this format or a programmatic format, then what I can do, uh, I will first take a variable called match. You can take it anyway. So you can just change it as a name, because I'm searching for a name, right? So I can just take it as a name. So name equals re.search, the entire thing which I typed it over here. So re.search. So I am doing the same thing, re search Ravi within this entire sentence. Now it's a tricky one. So if you want to print the result which it has searched, so it is actually the search result is available in this format, right? I want it in a cleaner format, a cleaner way of output. So for that, what I can do, I have to take that variable, paste it over here, say name dot group. So what does this do? So it takes the search results, that is, this is the search result, dot group will try to print out the matched number, like matched pattern. So Ravi is the current pattern, and it will try to print that matched pattern if it is available in the given sentence. So let's just run it and we can have a look. So it has given me the output as Ravi. So suppose if there is no pattern available in this sentence, say Ravi is not available, there is another word called Ram. So what does this will do? We'll have a just look at it. Yeah, it has thrown me an error. So none type, right? So none type object has no attribute group, because it couldn't able to find this pattern within this given sentence. So if you go back to this programmatical way, you will understand what is actually happened to throw this error basically. Yeah, you could clearly see that the search result didn't yield any output at all, because it couldn't able to find this Ravi in this complete sentence. So this is why this name dot group is this name, or this search result is empty, that is none. So when you try to name dot group, it is throwing me an error, that is, it is a none type. So this is how a regular expression will try to match the pattern in a given set of a sentence. So we'll move with a regular expression in detail, and we'll try to bisect each and every component of a regular expression. So I just gave you an example of one such method which is available in the regular expression, that is search. So we have n number of many useful methods which are readily available within the regular expression or RE library, which we will be going to explore bit by bit in the further session.